In the last video, you pushed your first project to GitHub, but right now it is just files inside a repository, not a website yet. In this guide, you will turn that same repository into a real website, live on the internet for anyone, without paying a cent.
Let's get started.
Here is the secret. GitHub Pages is a free hosting service that turns a GitHub repository into a website. You write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, push them to GitHub, and your files become a live website.
It is static, so there is no server to set up, no database, and no bill. Just edit, push, and your changes are live.
Why use GitHub Pages? 3 reasons. First, it is free forever on public repositories. Second, it gives you a public URL you can put on your resume, share with friends, and link from LinkedIn, perfect for a portfolio. And third, you already know the workflow: write, commit, push.
That is exactly how professional developers ship websites.
The requirements are tiny. A GitHub account, which you already have. A repository with at least 1 commit from the last video. VS Code with Git connected, also from the last video. And 1 small HTML file, which we will write next, nothing to install, and nothing to pay.
Open your project folder in VS Code and create a new file. Name it exactly index.html, all lowercase, because GitHub Pages is case sensitive. Then paste in this simple page, a heading, a paragraph, and a title. Save it with Control S. That file is your entire website.
Now push it to GitHub. Open the source control panel. Your file appears under Changes with a U badge, which means untracked. Click the plus icon to stage it. Type a commit message, like "Create my first website." Click the check mark to commit, then click Sync Changes to push.
Your website files are now on GitHub.
Now the magic step. Go to your repository on GitHub and click Settings. In the sidebar under Code and Automation, click Pages. Under Build and Deployment, set Source to deploy from a branch. Pick the branch, Main, pick the folder root, click Save.
Important. If your repository is private, this option is grayed out. Make your repository public, and it unlocks.
GitHub is now building your site. Every push triggers a workflow called Pages Build Deployment, visible in the Actions tab. The run turns from yellow to green when it is done. The first build can take up to 10 minutes. Be patient, check the Actions tab, not the browser.
When the build is green, open your site. Your URL is username.github.io, followed by your repository name. If you visit too early, you will see GitHub's 404 page. There isn't a GitHub Pages site here. That just means the build is not finished.
Wait, refresh, and your page appears. Hello world, live on the internet.
The best part, updating is just as easy. Edit your HTML in VS Code, change the text, save, commit, and push. GitHub rebuilds automatically, usually in seconds. If you still see the old page, hard refresh with Ctrl-Shift-R. Your browser is caching the old version.
Pro tip. An empty file named .nojekyll tells Pages to skip Jekyll and serve your files exactly as they are.
3 errors cover almost everything. Number 1, there isn't a GitHub Pages site here. Check that your file is named index.html, all lowercase, in the root of main. Number 2, I pushed, but nothing changed. Hard refresh and check the Actions tab for a red build.
Number 3, deploy from a branch is grayed out. Your repository is private. Make it public. All of these are 1 click to fix.
Here's the whole loop. Write an HTML file, push it to GitHub, and your website is live. Enable Pages once in settings, and every push updates it automatically. You just shipped a real website for free.
Next, turn it into a portfolio. Add your own domain, and automate bigger projects with GitHub Actions. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy coding.